buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn off the battery percentage in your status bar on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. You see it up here, we have 56% left, and maybe you're really annoyed by the numbers and only want the battery icon here, and I will show you how you can turn that off. For that, you need to go to your menu, go to your settings, and now you want to go to battery and device care. Here we want to go to battery now, and then we want to scroll down and go to more battery settings, and here we have the option to turn off the show battery percentage, and as you can see, there's no battery percentage left, there's only the battery icon. If we turn that back on again, you see there's the number again, and if we turn that off, the number is gone. So that is just really quick and easy how you can turn off the battery percentage on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.